Proverbs chapter 12. Anyone who loves knowledge wants to be told when he is wrong. It is stupid to hate being corrected. The Lord is pleased with good people, but condemns those who plan evil. Wickedness does not give security, but righteous people stand firm. A good wife is her husband's pride and joy, but a wife who brings shame on her husband is like a cancer in his bones. Honest people will treat you fairly. The wicked only want to deceive you. The words of wicked men are murderous, but the words of the righteous rescue those who are threatened. Wicked men meet their downfall and leave no descendants, but the families of righteous men live on. If you are intelligent, you will be praised. If you are stupid, people will look down on you. It is better to be an ordinary man, working for a living, than to play the part of a great man but go hungry. A good man takes care of his animals, but wicked men are cruel to theirs. A hard-working farmer has plenty to eat, but it is stupid to waste time on useless projects. All that wicked people want is to find evil things to do, but the righteous stand firm. A wicked man is trapped by his own words, but an honest man gets himself out of trouble. Your reward depends on what you say and what you do. You will get what you deserve. Stupid people always think they are right. Wise people listen to advice. When a fool is annoyed, he quickly lets it be known. Sensible people will ignore an insult. When you tell the truth, justice is done, but lies lead to injustice. Thoughtless words can wound as deeply as any sword, but wisely spoken words can heal. A lie has a short life, but truth lives on forever. Those who plan evil are in for a rude surprise, but those who work for good will find happiness. Nothing bad happens to righteous people, but the wicked have nothing but trouble. The Lord hates liars, but is pleased with those who keep their word. Sensible people keep quiet about what they know, but stupid people advertise their ignorance. Hard work will give you power, being lazy will make you a slave. Worry can rob you of happiness, but kind words will cheer you up. The righteous man is a guide to his friend, but the path of the wicked leads them astray. If you are lazy, you will never get what you are after, but if you work hard, you will get a fortune. Righteousness is the road to life. Wickedness is the road to death. Proverbs chapter 13. A wise son pays attention when his father corrects him, but an arrogant person never admits he is wrong. Good people will be rewarded for what they say, but those who are deceitful are hungry for violence. Be careful what you say and protect your life. A careless talker destroys himself. No matter how much a lazy person may want something, he will never get it. A hard worker will get everything he wants. Honest people hate lies, but the words of wicked people are shameful and disgraceful. Righteousness protects the innocent. Wickedness is the downfall of sinners. Some people pretend to be rich, but have nothing. Others pretend to be poor, but own a fortune. A rich man has to use his money to save his life, but no one threatens a poor man. The righteous are like a light shining brightly. The wicked are like a lamp flickering out. Arrogance causes nothing but trouble. It is wiser to ask for advice. The more easily you get your wealth, the sooner you will lose it. The harder it is to earn, the more you will have. When hope is crushed, the heart is crushed, but a wish come true fills you with joy. If you refuse good advice, you are asking for trouble. Follow it and you are safe. The teachings of the wise are a fountain of life. They will help you escape when your life is in danger. Intelligence wins respect, but those who can't be trusted are on the road to ruin. Sensible people always think before they act, but stupid people advertise their ignorance. Unreliable messengers cause trouble, but those who can be trusted bring peace. Someone who will not learn will be poor and disgraced. Anyone who listens to correction is respected. How good it is to get what you want. Stupid people refuse to turn away from evil. Keep company with the wise and you will become wise. If you make friends with stupid people, you will be ruined. Trouble follows sinners everywhere, but righteous people will be rewarded with good things. A good man will have wealth to leave to his grandchildren, but the wealth of sinners will go to the righteous men. Unused fields could yield plenty of food for the poor, but unjust men keep them from being farmed. If you don't punish your son, you don't love him. If you do love him, you will correct him. The righteous have enough to eat, but the wicked are always hungry. Proverbs chapter 14. Homes are made by the wisdom of women, but are destroyed by foolishness. Be honest and you show that you have reverence for the Lord. Be dishonest and you show that you do not. A fool's pride makes him talk too much. A wise man's words protect him. Without any oxen to pull the plough, your barn will be empty, but with them it will be full of corn. A reliable witness always tells the truth, but an unreliable one tells nothing but lies. Conceited people can never become wise, but intelligent people learn easily. Stay away from foolish people, they have nothing to teach you. Why is a clever person wise? Because he knows what to do. Why is a stupid person foolish? Because he only thinks he knows. Foolish people don't care if they sin, but good people want to be forgiven. Your joy is your own. Your bitterness is your own. No one can share them with you. A good man's house will still be standing after an evil man's house has been destroyed. What you think is the right road may lead to death. Laughter may hide sadness. When happiness is gone, sorrow is always there. Bad people will get what they deserve. Good people will be rewarded for their deeds. A fool will believe anything. Sensible people watch their step. Wise people are careful to stay out of trouble, but stupid people are careless and act too quickly. People with a hot temper do foolish things. Wiser people remain calm. Ignorant people get what their foolishness deserves, but the clever are rewarded with knowledge. Evil people will have to bow down to the righteous and humbly beg their favor. No one, not even his neighbor, likes a poor man, but the rich have many friends. If you want to be happy, be kind to the poor. It is a sin to despise anyone. You will earn the trust and respect of others if you work for good. If you work for evil, you are making a mistake. Work and you will earn a living. If you sit around talking, you will be poor. Wise people are rewarded with wealth, but fools are known by their foolishness. A witness saves lives when he tells the truth. When he tells lies, he betrays people. Reverence for the Lord gives confidence and security to a man and his family. Do you want to avoid death? Reverence for the Lord is the fountain of life. A king's greatness depends on how many people he rules. Without them, he is nothing. If you stay calm, you are wise, but if you have a hot temper, you only show how stupid you are. Peace of mind makes the body healthy, but jealousy is like a cancer. If you oppress poor people, you insult the God who made them, but kindness shown to the poor is an act of worship. Wicked people bring about their own downfall by their evil deeds, but good people are protected by their integrity. Wisdom is in every thought of an intelligent man. Fools know nothing about wisdom. Righteousness makes a nation great. Sin is a disgrace to any nation. Kings are pleased with competent officials, but they punish those who fail them. Proverbs chapter 15. A gentle answer quietens anger, but a harsh one stirs it up. When wise people speak, they make knowledge attractive, but stupid people spout nonsense. The Lord sees what happens everywhere. He is watching us, whether we do good or evil. Kind words bring life, but cruel words crush your spirit. It is foolish to ignore what your father taught you. It is wise to accept his correction. Righteous men keep their wealth, but wicked men lose theirs when hard times come. Knowledge is spread by people who are wise, not by fools. The Lord is pleased when good men pray, but hates the sacrifices that wicked men bring him. The Lord hates the ways of evil people, but loves those who do what is right. If you do what is wrong, you will be severely punished. You will die if you do not let yourself be corrected. Not even the world of the dead can keep the Lord from knowing what is there. How then can a man hide his thoughts from God? Conceited people do not like to be corrected. They never ask for advice from those who are wiser. When people are happy, they smile, but when they are sad, they look depressed. Intelligent people want to learn, but stupid people are satisfied with ignorance. The life of the poor is a constant struggle, but happy people always enjoy life. Better to be poor and fear the Lord than to be rich and in trouble. Better to eat vegetables with people who love than to eat the finest meat where there is hate. Hot tempers cause arguments, but patience brings peace. If you are lazy, you will meet difficulty everywhere, but if you are honest, you will have no trouble. A wise son makes his father happy, only a fool despises his mother. Stupid people are happy with their foolishness, but the wise will do what is right. Get all the advice you can and you will succeed. Without it, you will fail. What a joy it is to find just the right word for the right occasion. Wise people walk the road that leads upwards to life, not the road that leads downwards to death. The Lord will destroy the homes of arrogant men, but he will protect a widow's property. The Lord hates evil thoughts, but he is pleased with friendly words. If you try to make a profit dishonestly, you will get your family into trouble. Don't take bribes, and you will live longer. Good people think before they answer. Evil people have a quick reply, but it causes trouble. When good people pray, the Lord listens, but he ignores those who are evil. Smiling faces make you happy, and good news makes you feel better. If you pay attention when you are corrected, you are wise. If you refuse to learn, you are hurting yourself. If you accept correction, you will become wiser. Reverence for the Lord is an education in itself. You must be humble before you can ever receive honors.